Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. The past few days have been very volatile for the entire crypto market, wherein the primary cryptocurrency has nosedived to almost $93,000 from $100,000 mark. So joining with me is our executive editor, Mr. Manoj Thara, who will share his insights. So welcome Manoj, and how is the crypto market performing and what are the key trends? What has led to this downfall?
Actually, Vishaka, as you have rightly pointed out, there has been a correction from nearing the $100,000 levels to $90,000 levels. I have marked five odd reasons. Bitcoin dominance signal actually a further weakness in the short term, and in the daily time frame. Consequently, it is safe to assume that more investors are turning focus to the altcoin industry, and thus escalating the ongoing crypto cash rotation. As you have already seen, the Bitcoin dominance has fallen from the 60% mark and it is hovering around 57%. So, and hence we are seeing a larger interest in the altcoins and other altcoins have risen. The point number two, interestingly, the pullback coincides with some bullish developments such as the MicroStrategy's record purchase of a whopping 55,500 Bitcoins, equaling to around 5.4 billion. So Michael Saylor is not stopping, and he is again showing a huge interest in backing as far as
piling up Bitcoin, and many other corporates have also started piling up Bitcoin, following
inspiring the Michael Saylor's strategy as well. That is actually the second reason why there is a huge support. As far from the fall, we have seen roughly around 97,000 odd levels is the average price which the recent Bitcoins have been accumulated. Point number three. In a note on Tuesday morning, Standard Chartered added that this week's falling US Treasury term premium could also be the culprit, and this is what we have been saying, that there is typically a pattern which we have seen in the broad-based cryptocurrency market, that whenever the yields fall, there is an interest in the cryptocurrency, and because of the tariff announcements which the Trump administration has actually made. And typically what happens is in these markets, because of the Trump's announcement, the treasury yields have increased, and hence we have seen a correction in the cryptocurrency market. Moving on, the broad cryptocurrency market has also shown a decline as the dollar index rose to 107, boosted by the US President-elect Donald Trump's tariff announcement, as we have already mentioned about, on the imports from China, Mexico and Canada. A stronger dollar typically, Vishaka, has actually dampens Bitcoin's demand by tightening global liquidity and increase cost for the international buyers. And hence we have been already discussing there is actually a big correction in our cryptocurrency market. And the fifth reason is Bitcoin tends to edge up in the yields falls as the real logic which we have already mentioned.
Yeah, so the entire crypto market is optimistic with the incoming Trump administration, and Trump is now considering giving the all oversight of the crypto markets to, or the power to, CFTC, Commodity Futures Trading Commission.
Right. So this is what our second topic is. Although the announcement, as you already mentioned about CFTC, the Commodities Future Trading Commission, although this announcement is not officially confirmed, this move could bring the regulation of the spot markets for the digital assets characterized as commodities such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the exchanges offering them under the purview of the CFTC. The regulator already oversees Bitcoin, actually the CFTC is currently overseeing Bitcoin and the Ethereum options and the futures. And hence there is optimism around the CFTC entry if it happens. So typically what it happens is the SEC oversees the security industry in the US, while the CFTC is tasked with regulating the commodities and the derivative markets, and hence, as the name suggests, SEC is for securities and CFTC is for the commodity segments. Point number three, the crypto exchanges also offers dozens of other digital assets. None of the digital assets listed by the US exchanges are categorized as securities. The Securities Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, frequently takes action against several tokens, alleging they are unregistered securities. We have already seen as far as the Ripple's XRP ecosystem is concerned. There was a big concern in Ripple. From years we have been covering that there is a concern between the SEC and the XRP. And this was on the back of unregistered securities. Point number four, the SEC has significantly larger budget and more resources. For example, the financial year of 2024, the SEC received $3 billion budget compared to the CFTC's $700 million budget. Additionally, the SEC is around 5,300 staff members, while the CFTC has around only 700. So there is a big stark difference as far as the staff is concerned. More the staff, and hence you can have a broad-based market under your coverage, and hence the regulations will be on a clear path. Point number 5. Notably, the CFTC has shown a friendlier stand towards cryptocurrencies compared to the SEC. The commodities regulator approved Bitcoin futures trading way back in 2017, as we have been seeing that the futures and options for this Bitcoin universe have already been operating. But the SEC of late has done a fantastic job as far as giving an approval for the ATS is concerned. Vishaka.
Correct. So despite the recent volatility, there's much optimism, and analysts are also bullish about Bitcoin's price touching new all-time highs, and we can also witness an all-kind rally in the future.
Let's see, because six-figure mark is actually a big sentimental thing, and technically we have been seeing a broad correction as far as the entire ecosystem is concerned. That only time will tell that how this market will mature from here on. Jan 20th is the time when Mr. Trump is going to come, but it's roughly around 1.5 months away from. It's almost 2 months away from that mark, and there are several measures which Donald Trump has announced, and let's see how this crypto market will behave. Thank you so much for joining. Stay tuned and watch 3.0 TV. Thank you much.